Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to add products and packages to existing price lists in Workspace. So once you've logged into your account, click on Sell in the main navigation and then click Price Lists. Locate the price list that you would like to add a new product or package to, select Actions and then select Edit. On this page you can see all of the products that you offer by clicking through here and the prices that you have set for each product. I want to add another fine art print option to my price list. So to do this, I'll need to make sure I have fine art prints highlighted on the left here and then click the Add Product button on the right hand side. A pop-up will appear here and you can select from the drop-down menu the size you'd like to offer. And then the finish options will appear and you can select a finish option. If you'd like to select more than one finish option, hold down the Command or Control key and then click Add. You can see these options have been added to my price list. This works the same with adding packages. So if I select packages in the menu on the left here and then click Add Product, select one of your packages from the drop-down menu and then click Add. This has added your package to your price list, and now you could set your package price there, and these will automatically be saved in your price list. If you had already set the price for the existing package on your price list, that price will still be there, and adding a new product will not reset the prices you already have set for each product in this price list. Once you've finished, click Save and Take Back to Price List, and you will go back to the page with the list of all your price lists you've created. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.